So Wednesday is the big day. That is the day we are going to get the Federal Reserve decision on reducing or not the base interest rate. The odds are really high that we're going to get that Federal Reserve rate cut. We'll look at that number here in just a minute. I haven't looked at it in a day or two. I've been on a little trip with my son to New York City to see Christmas in New York, all that kind of stuff. So kind of back into the fold here. But this does impact you. And I know you're probably tired of hearing about it. I'm tired of talking about the Federal Reserve, to be quite honest with you. But it is the world that we live in. And this is an important date and an important decision because there are some other things that play out there in the larger financial market that you need to be aware of. And this does impact your XRP. Sounds like a sportscaster. Your college team. Okay. Anyway, so XRP right now up 1.3, 1.6. Taking a look real quickly, going to refresh this page. It was 87% before I refreshed it. So let's see where we're at right now. So drum roll, please. We're at 89.6. So we are at just shy 90%. This is the tool that gives the expectation, the forecast of the percentage of are we going to get that Federal Reserve rate cut or not? And we are sitting at an 89.6% chance that yes, we will get that Federal Reserve rate cut. Now, it would probably be 25 basis points, 0.25. And why does this matter to your XRP? Here's why this matters. If we don't get this Federal Reserve rate cut, it's going to send shockwaves through the market. This is an expected rate cut. Thus, it's built into the market. If it doesn't happen, red, down. We're going to go down. If it does happen, it will be pretty much a kind of a non-event unless or the Chairman Powell, says something which everybody will be dissecting every single word he says, the tone he says it in his big speech on Wednesday, looking for bearish or bullish signals. He's really good at saying a lot but really not saying anything in that speech. Yeah. Okay. So the expectations, we're going to get the cut. Great. Okay. We need this cut to continue to kind of clear the runway for the bull run. We've got another big event out there on December 19th, which is 11 days from now. That is the Bank of Japan and what they're going to do, because they're talking about raising their interest rate because everybody out there has been borrowing money from them for 20 plus years. Yeah, for 0% interest rate. And it is now starting to be a negative impact point on the financial markets. It's called the yen carry trade. If you want to go take a look at that, it is what kind of mildly crashed the market last week on Monday. That's what we got going on. Okay. And it's something that's been at play for a while. Okay. But that is a negative impact point, a negative catalyst that's out there. All right. So where does that leave us? It leaves us with all eyes are trained on Wednesday for the expected rate cut. I expect crypto to, quite frankly, not do a whole heck of a lot. A little bit of this kind of backwards forward, one step forward, 1.5 step back kind of scenario, then 2 steps forward, and then 1.5 step back again, which in essence leaves us really where we're at. You can see Bitcoin is back up over 90,000, Ethereum up over 3,100, 3 and 1% respectively. The winners in the clubhouse right now, Zcash up 22%. Got some meme coins running, Pepe, Floke, Dash. But for the most part, market is really anticipating and waiting on what we are going to see come out in this rate cut scenario on Wednesday. Okay, so that Fed decision is imminent. This is important to you. It is important to you if you owe any crypto, because really what it does is we need this officially to continue to kind of clear the runway, if you will, so that we can have this bull run that we've all been waiting for. And there are other factors at play, but that's really the main story for this video. More to come as we get a little bit further down the road. Okay. So, hey, if you're interested, check out my trading indicator. Links in the description below if you want to pick it up. There's a discount code down there. It literally makes the software cost about $1 a day. Look, it'll tell you when to buy and when to sell any crypto out there. All that kind of stuff. It will tell you exactly when you need to be doing it. The discount code down there makes this even cheaper than you see on the screen here. So check that out. I mean, it basically gives you these buy and sell alerts. You can see like right here, these are buy and sell alerts coming in. So you can see like this is, for Solana as an example, like buy here, Sell there, 31 days, 42%. Buy here, sell here. It tells you when to buy, when to sell. You can even set up alerts where it just gives you a little pop-up on your phone. Buy this, sell this, buy this, sell this. It's really, really cool. And it's literally a little over $1 a day to use. There's a no questions asked, 30-day money back guarantee right here. You're completely protected. Give it a look, give it a try. We have live training 3 times a week in the members area. Lots of good stuff. There's a private community, a chat community, people in there helping you every single day. Lots of good things. If you're trying to figure out how to make even more money in crypto, this is a good way to do it, because this is what the whales use, and the people that are making a ton of money, this is how they do it. They use technology like these trading indicators, and mine is the cheapest on the market. There are trading indicators out there that literally cost $300 a month. I'm not kidding you. Okay, so mine's a little bit over $1 a day. All right, so give it a look right down there. Go check it out. See ya.